Here we have the Hoover Velocity Evo Cordless.
Right, okay, I've found the pictures. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look.
Here is the battery, which releases when you press that button. And on the battery it says 18 volt, 5000 milliamp hours. On the back of the Hoover we have model 91LD1715_01. It's an 18 volt cordless Hoover. Now, the original charger that came with this outputs 28 volt, 200 milliamp. When plugged in, well, you can press the status to see just very one level, very low, one level. Now we plug it in, the original that is, and what happens is that showing you it's charging. Okay, so that's what happens with the original. Now our replacement, so original was 28 volt, our replacement here is 25 volts, very near to 28, but it has been tried and tested, as I'll show you right now. Plug in. Now we do have a little extension on the end here to make the connector the right size, to make that connector size, which is there. Now once we plug it in to the battery, we see exactly the same, showing that the battery is charging using our replacement. If you try to buy one of these, it will be very expensive. Ours is very affordable, being sold on eBay, Amazon and our own website. So if you have this Hoover, the 18 volt Hoover Velocity Evo Cordless, and you need a replacement charger, then you are in the right place. So it can charge either in situ, when it's slid into the hole. Doing it one-handed is very difficult. I'll just push it in. So when the charger is plugged in, it will still do exactly the same as the original did. So thank you for watching. If you need any help or assistance, you can call us on 0116 212 2754.